Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. We are here in this video to solve another problem under the thin lens. And in this problem, we'll be needing a little more logical reasoning, or just reasoning anyway, to solve this. It's not very direct, but at the same time very simple to understand. So do well to stick with me in this video till the end, and the concept will be really clear to you. Now they said the distance between an object and its real image in a convex lens. So we're dealing with a convex lens. So the distance between an object and its real image. So take note of the word real. It simply means that if this is your convex lens, right? Now, and say your object is somewhere around here, this is your object, then your image should be on this other side. This is your image because it is real. Image should be on the other side. So the distance between an object and its real image in a convex lens is 40. So meaning that the distance from this point to this point is 40 centimeters. And we know that the distance from an object to the center of a lens is what you call what? Is what you call U. Also, the distance from the center of a lens to the image is what you call what? V. So if we consider this, it simply means we can generate an equation from this, seeing that this, which is U, plus this, which is V, should give us what? 40. So we can say that U plus V should be 40. So that if I make, say, U the subject, I would have that U is going to give 40 minus what? V, right? Yes. So I can call this my first equation. Let's check the question again. And they said if the magnification of the image is 3, that is to say the image is 3 times the object. So we can go that way, or we can simply say M, which is V by U, is 3. So I can replace M with 3. I'll have V by U, which would imply that my V is going to be 3U. So I can call this my fourth equation, my second equation, sorry. I can call that equation 2. So you can see, right? Now, let me rub this side for the sake of space. So you can see that we already, now the question says calculate focal length, so we don't lose the focus. Calculate focal length of our lens. So we're trying to find F. Now, if we follow up with the formulas or the equations we have been able to generate, so I can simply note that V is 3U, and then I'll replace this V here with 3U. So that if I put equation 2 into 1, we would have, so you will now have that U becomes 40 minus V, and V is what now? 3U. 3U. So that when you take 3U to this side, you'll have U plus 3U equals 40. This is what? 4U equals 40. So that U becomes 40 by 4, which is what? 10 cm, right? Yes. Now also, I want to find my V. So what is my V going to be? My V is going to be 3 into what? 10. Which is what now? 30 cm, right? So we have our U and then we'll have our V. Now, since they already described for us the nature of this image, so we can apply our sign convention to these two values and then use it to find our focal length. So we know that when we are dealing with our convex lens, object distance should always be negative. So for me to solve, I would now note that U should now be what? Minus 10 cm. So because object should be negative. Now, since our image is real, they told us, it means that V is actually still going to remain positive 30 cm. So it won't change. So we want to find our focal length. That is the main problem in the question, and which is very simple. So we then have 1 by F is 1 by V minus 1 by U. So I have 1 by F is going to be 1 by V. And what is my V? 30 cm. Then minus 1 by U. What is my U now? Minus 10. So that 1 by F is going to give me 1 by 30. Now minus times minus will give us what? Plus 1 by 10. So that if I find my LCM there, my LCM is going to be 30. So if I take the LCM, I would have 1 by F. It's going to be my LCM, which is 30. So 30 in 30 is 1. 1 times 1 is what? 1. Then plus 10 in 30 is what? 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So I have 4 by 30. So that I want to find F, I would simply say that F is going to be the inversion of this, which is 30 by 4, right? So I believe this should be 7.5, because 2 here 2, 2 here 2, 2 here 15, 15 by 2 is 7.5. So this is 7.5 cm, and our focal length is positive, which is actually what we expect. So I believe this concept is clear. If you have enjoyed this video and you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button so you can encourage me to produce more videos, right? Like, comment, and share with 10 of your friends. Tell them this is Prime Concept. Thank you.